Well, The Man from Nowhere is this week's review. Oops, sorry. I got a little confused. The fact of the matter is that Rocky Hansen is as close as you can get to Man from Nowhere, which of course is a South Korean movie. If you really want to see really gruesome violence, I'd say watch that movie. If you want to see toned down violence, then I'd say watch this movie. Fact of the matter is that action sells. Akshay Kumar is the king of that. He's the king of the action movie, and he rarely sells it well. John Abraham is coming in second. But is he a close second? Well, I'd say as far as the action sequences of this movie are concerned, he's done them quite well. The thing that actually has been let out of this whole big plot is the plot itself. The story itself, I think, is a little weak. Nishikant Kamath, well, he's proven it once again that he can copy movies really well, because it's actually lift off and placed in a Bollywood sequence. If you see Man from Nowhere, it is so violent that it actually looks like you're slicing up wrists for free, and blood is part of the scene. That's part of the makeup. But in this movie, thank God, it's a little less. I'd say if it was that bad, I wouldn't even be able to watch half of it. So coming back to the movie, the action scenes are good. I think John does well in action. I think that is his forte, and maybe he should do more of it. What it did lack was this whole relationship between him and the little girl. Diya Chalwad, well, she's done a great job at actually playing the little girl. And I would have liked to see this relationship between John Abraham's character and her character bloom during the movie, which sadly doesn't really happen. So what else would I watch it for? Well, I'd watch it for nothing other than action and John Abraham. So if you're a John Abraham fan and if you're an action fan, great. The villain here is Surprise Nishikant, and he, like a lot of directors of his ilk, seemed to be doing quite a good job at acting after directing. Now, is that a good sign in Bollywood? I'd say some of the actors are kind of out of their job if this keeps happening. On how much I would give it? I would give it 2 stars. I'd give it 1 star for John Abraham. So if you're a fan of John Abraham's, go watch it. I'd give it its 2nd star for the action in the movie, because it's done quite well. I didn't say it's fantastic, but it's done quite. The sequences are crafted well as far as effects are concerned, as far as real action is concerned, and it is quite gritty. But there is little else as far as the movie is concerned. So if you love action, and that seems like 2/3 of the world, then go and watch it. Would I watch Batman and Superman? Well, from the reviews that I'm seeing, I don't really think so. I've not seen it yet, but so what would I watch? Oh, tough choice, but it's an action weekend, so go out and enjoy the action, I'd say. And we'll see you next week on the reviews. And before that, oh yes, आपको ये बहुत ज़रूरी करना है. नीचे यार ये like और subscribe वाला बटन है, subscribe दबा देना. सब बढ़िया रहेगा. And we'll see you next week on the reviews.